Now here's the good news for Muslims all over the world. Right now, there is only one Jamaat with a Khalifa. Which Muslim sect is rightly guided? It's very simple, because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us the answer and the litmus test. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam foretold his ummah would split into 73 sects. But interestingly, he said 72 out of the 73 would be in the fire, meaning they'd be misguided, and only one would be guided. Naturally, the Sahaba asked how Muslims could recognize that one true group of Muslims. In response, Rasulullah said that that group of true Muslims would be on my sunnah and the sunnah of my Sahaba. And he also referred to them as the al-jama'ah, hiya al-jama'ah. Now, Muslim scholars accept that there is no such thing as a Jamaat without Khilafah. You can call yourself a Jamaat all you want, but without Khilafah, there is no Jamaat. So this group of true Muslims will have a Khalifa. And if anyone claims that they are the true Muslims the Prophet referred to, then they must show that they have a Khalifa. Otherwise, it's just empty claims. In Sahih al-Bukhari, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is reported to have also said to Muslims that when evil becomes widespread, then stick to the Jamaat of Muslims who have an Imam. Talzamu Jamaat al-Muslimina wa imamahum. Now here's the good news for Muslims all over the world. Right now, there is only one Jamaat with a Khalifa. That is the Ahmadiyyat Muslim Jamaat. That's the tough truth you will have to face. There is simply no other Muslim sect who can be called a Jamaat in its truest sense. You must have a Khalifa, and for the last century, only one Jamaat has shown it has Khilafah that Allah has supported. Tell us, is there any other Jamaat who has Khilafah? If not, then the test Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us to stick to the Jamaat and the Imam is only positive for one Jamaat, the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat.